Good morning, year 6. Welcome to our maths lesson. Today we are going to learn how to solve algebraic equations. We have been learning how to form different algebraic equations. So today we are going to learn how to solve algebraic equation. A good example of an equation is x plus 2 is equal to 4. So we are going to do this practically using a bin balance. So x is a known object and 2 are two objects that can be counted and 4 are objects that can be counted. So the equal sign is the balancing point or the pivot. So we are going to see that soon. So I'm going to represent x with an object. So I put the object x there, and 2, I'm going to use two marbles. These two will represent x plus 2. Then is equal to 4. So this is equal to 4. I put 4 marbles. Can see it is balancing. It is balancing. They are balancing. So if x plus 2 is equal to 4, then what will be the value of x? We can find that. So how can we find that? So we can do it by subtracting one marble on each side, taking away one marble from each side at a time. So I will start taking away one marble from this side. So we're going to write x plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 1. This represents the subtraction that I'm going to do. I'm going to subtract one marble each side. So I'll take one marble this side and one marble that side. Then I still have x plus 1 is equal to 3. And I need only x, which is the unknown object on this side. So I'll keep on taking away one marble from this side so that I can remain with the object only, and I take away one marble from the other side. Then I check, is it balancing? Yes, it is balancing. So that can be written as x plus 1 now, because plus 1 minus 1 again is equal to 3 minus 1. So 1 minus 1, you remain with x is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So we find out that the value of x is equal to 2 marbles. 2 marbles. So you can say x is equal to 2. The second example is x plus 4 is equal to 6. Then what will be the value of x? Also can do this practically using the bin balance method. So on this side I put an object plus 4. So I put 4 marbles, 1, 2, 3, 4. On this side I have 6 marbles. So if x plus 4 is equal to 6, then what will be the value of x? So I will start taking away again one by one. I take one marble and one from there until all the marbles in this tin are finished and we remain with the object only. So I take one again and one. I take one, take away one, and I take away one, and I take away one. See, now I remain with object only. So I check how many marbles balance with this object. I count 1, 2. So only 2 marbles balances with the object. So I can write my answer as x is equal to 2. So when we subtract, when we take away the marbles one by one, this can be written as, in the end result, we are going to subtract 4 marbles and subtract 4 marbles on the other side. So it will be 6 subtract 4. So if it is x plus 4 is equal to 6, so to get the number that balances with x, we need to do something with plus 4 marbles. So what we are going to do on this side, we must do the same on the other side to make sure that we are remaining with x on this side. So here, when we want to remain with x only, we need to take away. And if we take away 4 from this side, also we must take away 4 from that side. And if it's adding 4, you have to add 4 both sides. So for our case here, we need to subtract 4 both sides in order to remain with x here. So take away 4. So 4 take away 4, this is 0. And 6 take away 4 is 2. So here the answer is 0. So it will be x plus 0, which gives us x. Then is equal to 6 minus 4, which is 2. So the answer is 2. X is equal to 2. Example 3. We have x plus 10 is x plus 6 is equal to 10. So what can we do on this side so that we can remain with x only? So we need to do the opposite of addition, which is subtraction. So in order to remain with x only this side, we need to subtract 6. So we can write that x plus 6, then take away 6 is equal to, so what we are going to apply on this side, also we are going to apply on the other side. So if we take away 6 on this side, also we need to take away 6 on the other side. So 10 take away 6. This gives us x, because plus 6 minus 6 is 0. So we just remain with x. So write x is equal to 10 minus 6, or 10 subtract 6. This gives us 4. So the value of x here is 4. So solving algebraic equation is like to find the value of the unknown. The unknown number is x. or the object could be x. So this is the unknown. So solving equation actually is finding the value of unknown. Example 4, we have x minus 7 is equal to 5. So think, what can we do on this side so that we can remain with x? So what we can do is doing the inverse of subtraction, which is addition. So what are we supposed to add? Can add 7 both sides. So add 7 here. So x minus 7 plus 7, this gives us 0. Minus 7 plus 7, it is 0, is equal to 5. So when we add 7 on this side, also we need to add 7 on the other side. So plus 7. Then we check. X minus 7 plus 7, we get x. X will remain because 7, take away 7, add 7, it's just like 7 take away 7, which is 0. So we cannot write that 0 here. So write the x. So we remain with x only. So x is equal to 5 plus 7. This gives us 12. So the value of a known number, which is x, is equal to 12. So this is the answer. Remember that solving algebraic equation is like finding the value of a known number. The unknown number here is not given, so it is represented by a letter. So this is how you're going to solve algebraic equation. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you so much.